Good morning! Look at how good that visor looks. Got a few things put on this side yesterday. I didn't do a great job of filming, but I'm gonna do better today. And we'll see how far we can get on this side. See if we can get the air cleaners on and the mirror. We will see. It's gonna be a fun day. It's already like 1 o'clock though, because it's Sunday and I was slow getting after it, but it's okay, whatever. So we've got one issue fighting us for putting this air cleaner on. The HVAC, or the air conditioning box, goes right here on the inside. And we got to put that on before we can put the air cleaner on, because these screws come in from here. And the only issue is our carpet here is disgusting and needs a lot of cleaning. And I want to clean out everything for the air box, so I got to do that before I can do anything. So maybe we'll get started on that. I forgot to get some videos of this before, but this is the air box. And it looks a lot better now. I'm lucky enough to have a pretty cool father-in-law that comes and helps me out. So he came down yesterday, and as you can tell by how dirty that water is, he was cleaning that off and did some cleaning to the air cleaners and stuff. So that is sweet. So hopefully this will work better now. So this is how the air box sits in there. This is what we got to screw in from the outside. And basically it pulls in. If you have your air set on fresh air, it'll pull the air in from right here, so from outside. But the issue with that is that it gets really dusty, and this door, if you change it from fresh air to recirculate, there's an air actuator that will take this door and send it this way. So then instead of pulling air out of here, it's pulling air in from here, which is inside the truck. And really, I just want it to be on recirculate all the time, because the amount of dust that blows into this truck from driving on the job sites, because it just doesn't seal. So I think I might block this screen off. I don't know if that's a good idea. I don't know if guys do that, but I'm gonna try it. And if it doesn't work, I'll let you know, and I'll tell you not to do it. But if it does work, I'll let you know and I'll tell you to do it, because that sucks, getting all that dust in the truck. Shined up the air box all nice. Should be good. Put some tape here, see how that works. And we got this part of the interior cleaned up, so we can put the air box in. Beautiful. So if you remember when I was taking these brackets off, the bolts were seized into the nut zerks, so the nut zerks were just spinning. So to try to prevent that from happening again, we are gonna put some anti-seize on all the bolts. So this is really messy stuff. It gets everywhere, but sure is nice when you're taking stuff apart and the bolts will come out. So it's worth it. All right, let's see if we can get this thing set up here. Got our breather lights. They're gonna go right here. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up. I eventually want to get some new ones, but that'll be later in the project. These will have to do for now. A little better. So they just have some slots right here that slip in behind these mounting bolts here. So just like that. And then you can't get to the bolts, so. All right, now we can get in there. Beautiful. Put these lights back in, and then we can get our air cleaner on. Just gonna spray a little bit of soapy water in here to hopefully let this air cleaner slide in a little smoother. Oh yeah! I anti-seized these bolts too, because the other ones are seized. So. Got our air filter in, now we can put our cap on. So you can see on this air cleaner, it's a lot more shiny in the front than it is in the back. And that is from wind burn, because this air cleaner used to be on the driver's side, so it was getting hit with all the road debris and the wind and everything. So I've got some stainless polishing stuff coming in the mail, and we're gonna see if we can polish that out on one of these videos. I know how to polish aluminum. Never done stainless before, so should be fun. We'll learn. We'll figure it out. We'll make it look good, match the visor, even though we can't see the visor yet because I haven't pulled the plastic off. We'll do that here pretty soon. But next, now that we got the air cleaners on, we gotta put the mirrors on. So let's do that. So the mirrors on these 379s are just riveted on, and I don't really like that. So I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I did it on the driver's side. We're gonna drill these holes out and put some nut zerks in there, top and bottom, and then we'll bolt the mirrors on. And hopefully that's okay. These holes are pretty scary to drill because the glass is in there. So you could really have a bad day if you let the drill bit go in too far. But let's do it. This is a tool I use to put the nut zerks in. Just like that. I'll have the link to this thing in the description because it's pretty sweet. Just got it off of Amazon. Works really good. I wish I would have had one a long time ago, but you live and you learn. So you just open it up like this, and here's your insert. You just thread it on, and basically when you pull this in, it grabs the threads here and pushes against the flange here, and it pulls the threads in, so it expands where these ribs are. It expands that so it grabs on from the inside real tight, so then you can just put a bolt straight in. Real handy. So I'm gonna get the mirror and set it up here and put a couple bolts in the bottom and one bolt in the top, and then we got our window chop that has to go on through the mirror. So then I'll pull the top bolt out, set the window chop up, put the bolts in, and we'll be groovy. We'll just be grooving. Here's our mirror. I'm back. But we got it. I just gotta grab the other bolts. Oh yeah!